did it, y'all. We did it. We did it. I'm so proud of myself. Ugh. I need some sleep. I'm so grateful for the opportunity. So grateful to be able to do that. You know? I learned so much about myself that I'm stronger than what I said I was, and really keeping my word, and it's part of my identity now. See, your body can do so much. You know? There you go. All right, y'all. I gotta get up. It's your boy Jay Will. Thank you for watching the video. Done with the grind of the week. You guys actually seen the effect of this. Like, this ain't scripted. This ain't like, this is it. Ugh. It's your boy Jay Will, man. Oh, we grinding. We shining. Hold up.